They look interesting. Beautiful handmade toolbox. This looks like, well, these are some of the smaller nails that were used in the log construction. Wooden stirrup. Or a stirrup base. They might put another stirrup in there, I believe. Horseshoes. For your brush. Here you go, baby. We'll bring it up. Must be the livestock. Alright, scabbard and a couple of files. I have a sense this is taken out to file some hooves and do some livestock work. And that is a solid shoe that I've never seen, but then again, I don't know anything what's going on. It might be common as heck. That's about it. Beautiful box. Let's take this back, brush it off, see if we can find an age on it. And again, this is all exploration and preservation. I'm not wounding it. We're gonna leave it in the shadows, though. Alright, baby, we'll see what we can find out about you. Approved. M-U-N-N. Alright, enough guessing. We'll figure it out. Got a featured tool, then. Welcome to the shed. Workshop, I should say. Most of this is stuff I have no idea what it is. It was just all left here, abandoned in place. But featured tool for today I wanted to hook up is this thing. I've seen these before. I thought for sure, of course, it was some kind of a blacksmith tool. But I was wrong about that, as I usually am wrong. This is actually called a hoof nipper. Used, yes, to trim livestock hooves. Sometimes it had a screwdriver on the handles. This is really an old one. I don't see any kind of logo, but we'll see what happens if I clean it up. But there you go, a hoof nipper. Always something good to have around the garage.